Good morning. My name is Nand Kochhar. I'm Vice President, Siemens Digital Industry Software, Automotive and Transportation Industry. Let me start with a video.
The pace of digitalization is unprecedented, and it's completely transforming our world, harnessing new technologies across the landscape of industry to fundamentally change the way we live. Electric vehicles will be in constant communication with everything around them, eliminating congestion and powering safer, smarter, autonomous transportation. It's all enabled by digital threads that turn silo data into connected disciplines and processes. These threads form the neural network of a digital twin, a virtual entity which mirrors the physical world, turning data into insight to continuously design, build, and optimize throughout the product and production lifecycle. A continuous verification and validation framework supports electrification and autonomous vehicle development across all engineering domains to ensure safety, hit zero-emission targets, and increase maximum range. The impact of decisions are integrated on all levels to significantly reduce development cycles while increasing innovation, customization, and reliability. Meanwhile, IoT and analytics enrich performance models with real-world data throughout for continuous optimization. Siemens can help you achieve rapid digital transformation, powered by the world's most comprehensive digital twin. There's no need to dream about the future. It's already here.
The automotive industry has been on a digital transformation journey during the last few decades. Recent advances in computing power, speed, internet connectivity, and disruptive technologies like AI, machine learning, 5G have accelerated the transformation to a new level. During COVID-19 pandemic, we experienced that the companies which had adapted digital transformations were able to manage their business operations effectively. For others, it was a key learning to accelerate their digital transformation, otherwise they run the risk of being left behind their competition. Bottom line, digitalization has become a necessity. Now, let me start with defining the scope of automotive and transportation industry at Siemens. It covers the 5 subsegments of the industry listed on this slide. Each subsegment has its own trends, challenges, and opportunities, while they have a lot in common from a solutions and digitalization perspective. Number 1, automotive OEMs. Increasing product complexity and accelerating technological change and increased competition puts the pressure on OEMs to innovate faster. Automotive suppliers. Mechanical, electrical, and software systems of the modern cars are often developed by suppliers and bring increasing integration challenges. Program success depends on close collaboration between automakers and suppliers. Third, trucks, buses, and specialty vehicles. Fuel consumption and emissions is a major differentiator for truck and bus makers. Trucks are designed to carry heavy loads and operate on different road types in varying environmental conditions and duty cycles. 4, motorcycles, bicycles, and parts. Styling, performance, and brand are key product development considerations for motorcycles, scooters, and 4-wheel all-terrain ATV manufacturers. Last, rail systems. It is a key to the mobility industry, the movement of goods and citizens in comfort and safety while minimizing environmental impact. Let me talk about our key global. When we look at the automotive and transportation landscape, there are several transformation trends that are driving automotive revolution. Today's automotive industry is experiencing business challenges, including tariffs, fuel economy mandates, legislation, safety, sustainability, and CO2 targets, to name the few. These challenges have contributed to emerging trends such as autonomous vehicle, electrification, connectivity, and a paradigm shift to new mobility. The trends allow for a changing business environment and open the door for new entrants to the mobility industry. For example, technology companies, fleet operators, and startups challenging the traditional OEMs. These new entrants don't have to deal with the legacy cost and processes. They bring a strong software knowledge and background. They innovate with an out-of-box thinking. In order to accelerate the speed of transformation into the future of mobility, we see automotive companies building partnerships and collaborations at all levels. For example, VW and Ford working together with Argo AI, Toyota, Denso, SoftBank, and working with Uber's Advanced Technologies Group are a few examples. The industry also have to deal with ongoing business pressures of reducing cost, increasing margins, and improving quality. While addressing these business pressures, current automakers have to adapt to the above-mentioned trends and have to balance investments to be a viable business today and in the near future. Now let's dive into the key trends in Korea. South Korea's automotive market exhibits the attribute of a mature market as it aligns itself with the unpredictable nature of the economic cycle. Thanks to the government's successful handling of the coronavirus pandemic, it's been a case of business as normal for the market here. The sales in January and February of 2020 had fallen down 15 and 19% respectively. That was due to pandemic. After that, strong gains were witnessed in March through May period of 2020. An extremely strong performance was recorded in June, with sales soaring by 41%. Since then, the sales in the market have been fairly even keel. In 2024, the Korean automotive manufacturing industry is forecasted to have a value of $82 billion, an increase of 5.1% since 2019. In that same period, we see a forecasted market growth of 167% in hybrid and electric vehicles, which is stimulated by the incentives from the Korean authorities. Next, these trends cause current automakers to rethink their business models and to prepare themselves for a fundamental change in their design, manufacturing, sales, and service processes. For example, autonomous vehicles need to be connected to the cloud and the infrastructure and vehicle to vehicle. For electric vehicles to be successful, charging infrastructure needs to be built, among other things like the serviceability procedures to handle high voltage. There is a need for flexibility in current manufacturing operations to manage transition from gasoline powertrains to hybrid and to electrification. Alongside, there's a need for embedded software, AI, and machine learning in the vehicle. Now, in order to turn the fundamental changes into competitive advantage, digitalization is key to survive the present and win the future. Next, the trends in the automotive industry, whether it's OEMs or the suppliers, have caused an increase in complexity. The true disruptor in our industry won't be those who are trying to limit the complexity. We believe you need to move faster to bring innovative vehicles to market earlier than your competition. You want to lower the development, production, and operating cost. You also need to create new business models, building differentiations through insights that are not easily duplicated. While we believe businesses that embrace the complexity and harness this complexity into a competitive advantage will be successful in the future. Now, with our understanding of your design, manufacturing, and service processes, we see complexity is continuing to increase exponentially. Each new vehicle created builds on a legacy of the past, a variant what it came before. The design and engineering process should leverage lessons learned from the past variants to create more value in each custom design. Car manufacturing is very dynamic and must be flexible to adapt to late changes to customer demands, supply chain disruptions, and even labor and operational changes. As you continue to increase your presence in the marketplace, keeping track of all assets, their operational capacity, configuration, and service status is required, so you need a closed-loop process. This is where Siemens' three key competitive differentiators or advantages. We believe that the true leaders in automotive, the disruptors, will take advantage and harness complexity into competitive advantage. We accomplish this through three key components in our strategy that provides a competitive advantage for our customers. Number one, the most comprehensive digital twin. With a comprehensive digital twin, you can continuously optimize product design, production, and service activities with a closed-loop connection between the virtual and physical world. With the insights and data from most comprehensive digital twin, companies can build more flexible and connected vehicles to handle a wide range of products, enabling quick response in an efficient manner with a high quality. Second is modern, adaptable, and personalized solutions. Siemens is helping the auto industry meet the challenge of increased customization, personalization, sophisticated software and controls to deliver vehicle systems in scope, on time, and under budget. And a flexible open ecosystem, Siemens' open digital strategy allows automakers to align their processes and expand their product and service offerings while contributing to their entire value chain. Now, Accelerator is our integrated portfolio of software, services, and application development platform that encompasses all of Siemens' software products and technologies. Accelerator is the technical foundation of companies' digital enterprise that enables continuous innovation in product performance, product development, production operations, and lifecycle support. Accelerator can be personalized and adapted to fit customer and industry-specific needs to help companies of all sizes become digital enterprises. And we have done exactly that to create a specific industry solutions for our automotive customers. By leveraging Accelerator, you can embrace complexity to achieve competitive advantage and be well positioned to meet tomorrow's challenges today. Now, let me focus on automotive industry specific solutions. Siemens Digital Industry Software provides specific solution to support transportation revolution. And when combined with our in-depth industry knowledge, it provides a tremendous advantage for automotive companies. We want to help not only with the transportation revolution, but also address the revolution that needs to take place in the processes for product realization. The transportation revolution requires industry to achieve operational excellence while dealing with disruptive technologies and new business models. Siemens is your partner in addressing this process revolution and transportation revolution at the same time. The current slide shows industry-specific solutions, what we call digital threads, are autonomous vehicle development, vehicle electrification, and they are supported by process digital threads of software and systems engineering, accelerated product development, smart manufacturing, and IoT and analytics. Now, in the interest of time, I'll touch on a couple of industry-specific solutions as an example in this presentation. One of the most difficult parts of validating autonomous vehicle is the sheer number of scenarios that they can run into. How can you be confident that these vehicles will perform safely and comfortably at all times? Safety is a prerequisite to enter the market and receive your license to operate, but comfort is required to gain public acceptance and win your customers. If these vehicles are not driving comfortably, nobody will be driving in them. Comfort can be a key differentiator to build the brand reputation for autonomous vehicles. Now, this is where Siemens Accelerator portfolio, SimCenter, comes in sight. We offer a continuous framework that supports autonomous vehicle development all across all engineering functions from chip to city level. Let me give you short descriptions. Pre-silicon verification and validation. In an AV, chips will become the critical brand differentiators driving automotive companies to invest in the creation of custom systems on chips to power their future vehicle platforms that, despite the complexity, cost, and rigor of SoC development, we have simulation and emulation environment to evaluate the effect of chip-level design choices within the context of a full vehicle and its driving environment, with the aim to optimize energy usage, compute power, security, and even functional safety. Preloading functional requirements in an early stage of silicon development leads to a faster, more optimal, and efficient chip design that can have an impact on functional performance. Second, system and a vehicle level verification and validations. One of the system level, it is our tool chain of high fidelity sensor, world occupant, and vehicle simulations that provide a comprehensive digital twin to develop and validate required hardware and software for autonomous driving. That is in the safety and comfort requirements. It optimizes the system's capabilities of sensing what is around the vehicle and control decisions which ultimately affect the safety and comfort of humans in and outside of the vehicle. At a city level, next level is connecting autonomous vehicle or autonomous fleet of vehicles with digital twin of an entire mobility system at a city level, complete with public transit, car sharing, pedestrians that reflect regional behavior differences. This flexible open ecosystem allows you to simulate the impact these vehicles have on flow of traffic in an intersection and a city level, how many of these vehicles should be allowed in the city, for which intersection is the infrastructure communication necessary to guarantee safety and comfort are some of the examples. In terms of proof point, Hyundai Mobis is a big supplier of autonomous vehicle systems for both advanced driver assist systems, ADAS, as well as a leader in automated driving development. Their challenge is to prove the safety and comfort of their systems in a limited amount of development time that is available. They embraced massive virtual simulation to speed up the development and validation process by front-loading their design processes and relevant use cases and variations that these algorithms will encounter during operational lifetime. Hyundai Mobis is using SimCenter's pre-scan tool chain from Siemens Accelerator portfolio to increase the efficiency of their design and validation processes. Integrating a comprehensive digital twin of the vehicle and its surroundings as part of the complete development, the simulation platform is flexible, open ecosystem, which is easily adaptable to the existing systems within Hyundai, virtually testing of various kind of scenarios in driving environments and real-world conditions. Next, let me touch on vehicle electrification. To gain market share in EVs is very important for the auto industry's new and established players. Companies need to ensure their electric vehicles are able to alleviate range anxiety by offering maximum driving range and a fast charging times. Equally important is to produce these vehicles on a large scale without getting trapped in the challenging manufacturing operations, something we particularly observe with the EV startups lacking the manufacturing expertise that is built over the decades. Now, in terms of the Siemens solution differentiators, battery and e-powertrain design, Siemens offers a seamless digital thread from a lithium-ion cell chemistry evaluation to cell and pack design, thermal management, and vehicle integration. For electric motors, we offer an adaptable, modern, multidisciplinary simulation framework that allows engineers to optimize motor performance, life, and noise and vibration issues. For power electronics, we offer one-of-a-kind integrated design, simulation, and testing solution to address the reliability issues of power electronics. Third, looking at electrical and electronics architecture, Siemens offers a model-based systems engineering framework for EE architecture, system design, and development. The flexible and open ecosystem allows to bring a unique ECAD, MCAD collaboration that is key to addressing EMI and thermal issues. In terms of vehicle attribute optimization, we offer industry's best 1D and 3D CFD solutions, and extensive testing portfolio to optimize EV energy and thermal management, improving aerodynamics, and meet or exceed NVH targets. EV manufacturing, bringing in simulations to verify and validate processes before implementing them on a factory floor, ensures cost-effective manufacturing. Some of the proof points: electric vehicles posed a particular challenge with respect to electrical systems. Tesla were reevaluating alternative solution for their 12-volt electrical system design, requiring a strong electrical system configuration control and a well-established base within leading automotive wire harness suppliers. As production volumes grew, it became important to ensure robust vehicle-specific data exchange with Tesla's wire harness suppliers. The capital tool set of our accelerator portfolio is a powerful electrical system software environment spanning vehicle architecture, system design and integration, service, documentation, creation, and a wire harness manufacturing tools. Configuration management is a core strength of Capital Toolset, helping ensure that delivered harness exactly match the feature set of each individual vehicles. In closing, your customers are demanding that the customized vehicles are delivered in a shorter time frame. To meet these demands, car designs are becoming exponentially more complex. High levels of customization are increasing vehicle complexity and driving the need for synergy across car designs and manufacturing strategies. Siemens is the only company that can provide you an open digital solution to accurately simulate car design and bring it to life in a digital world. This comprehensive portfolio accelerator can help further accelerate the efforts of your teams to innovate, creating precise digital twins of your products, production operations, and to manage the complexity of smart products and smart production operations. Siemens offers a flexible and adaptable applications and solutions required to help build more flexible products required for you to adapt to the changing customer needs. In closing, I want to thank you for spending the time with me as I showed you where we are taking our customer where today meets tomorrow. I have one last question. How can we help you to accelerate your digital future? Thank you.